name is Terwase Gberikon. I am the head of IT here at Andela Nigeria, and basically what I do is to ensure all the processes and policies and security solutions as regards IT within the local region are world class, as every other process in Andela is. We've always been using MainOne. From the very beginning. We set up our offices, although that was when we moved into a much larger space. There was no other service to go to but MainOne. As a technology and engineering firm, connectivity, internet connectivity, it is the bane of our existence. Like, there's no way we could guarantee our partners quality work without quality internet, without very strong connectivity. And at this point in time in Nigeria, there's no other company that offers other services, right? And MainOne was the only other option. It was the only option, not even the only other option we could think of that came up for us, that could guarantee us that service that we are offering our partners out there. Because you know that power and internet is a big challenge, and there's no way we could there's no way we could actually tell them directly that, okay, your internet connectivity you have, we can match it here, other than actually getting a service and connecting and showing them that, yeah, guys, we can actually have high definition video calls with you without a jitter or packet drop or anything. So MainOne was able to empower us and give us that platform to deliver on our word to our partners out there. Globally, we have 3 offices. 2 here on the continent, 1 in Nairobi, 1 in Lagos, and 1 office in New York. So it's a very, very strong thing to be able to communicate. It's a strong bonus to be able to communicate across locations, across different time zones, seamlessly. Like, okay, other teams may rely on email, like, okay, I send you an email and you reply back a couple of minutes, and that's how they are able to facilitate their own real-time communications. But at Andela here, things move very fast-paced. Unlike your traditional startup, every startup has a fast pace, but then Andela is 2x, 3x of that. So we need to communicate real time. We need to have people get information and data or whatever they need, like real time as it is happening. With that level, with that size of operations, it's not something that you need to gamble with. You just need stable connectivity to facilitate that level of communication across your team. So one of our core values at Andela here is excellence. Excellence, and we give our word out there to our partners that we are going to provide you with excellent service, and we being able to provide that level of excellence, we rely on other processes, other things happening within the organization to have excellent services. Our services, our internet services, is it our computers or stuff like that. So with our internet, we knew that there was no way we could do that, but have an excellent service. And seeing the track record of what MainOne is able to offer, we giving you statistics for numbers now. Like last year, all of last year, we had total downtime of about 3 hours, and it was not related to what MainOne could have. It was road construction. So it wasn't a downtime from MainOne offices. It was a downtime that they couldn't control. But none of those lasted beyond 30 minutes. That, okay, once a downtime happens, support reaches out to us that, hey, hello team, we have this downtime, this is the cause, this is how long it will take us to fix it. And every time, MainOne has lived up to the standard, to the expectation of fixing every challenge below, like, if you say 30 minutes, they fix it like in 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And it's always, response is fast, quality of service is really, really dependable, and support team is really, really, they really have you. So nobody will actually sit back and rest when you say, okay, I have this particular challenge, can we resolve this? You have people on the weekend, late into the night, calling and coming up with different solutions and always looking for the best way to solve it. So in terms of network providers, it's you shouldn't cheap out. You shouldn't in terms of chipping out, I'm saying you shouldn't chip out what connectivity options you have. You could decide that, okay, my business requires X amount of Mbps. Okay, let me buy just X amount. Why not buy 2X? The level of your connectivity online shows how much you are rich globally, and so far so good. MainOne are the leaders. Like, so you know that you're having a service that is direct from the source. You're not concerned or not bothered or having to think about where, okay, would tomorrow be different? Am I going to have downtime at the critical moment? Your internet connectivity matters a lot. So I would just advise any business out there, your online presence, if you need to reach the global market, even beyond your local region, you need strong online presence. You need that path, you need that platform to be able to leap into the global industry.